Do you want to make your Airbnb unforgettable? Well, Knox and I have 4 pro tips to help you out with that. All right, let's go, Brian. Let's tell them how to make the Airbnb truly amazing. So I've designed a lot of Airbnbs over the years, and here are 4 things to consider if you're setting up a new one. First, water. Everyone loves being close to water. If you can't be on the water, can you add a pool? If not, think about a plunge pool or a hot tub or an interesting bathtub or a steam shower. Water gives a sense of renewal and excitement. Yep, splashing around sounds fun. What's next? Second, the outdoors. If it's a single family home, go all in with your outdoor space. Your backyard is the easiest place to start, and you can turn it into an extra room. Think about lighting, think about amenities, like a spa or a fire pit, or a stargazing area. Anything to make your outdoors a super compelling space. Plus, you'll get awesome photos for your listings. Whoa! And more places to play and relax outside, and sniff all the smells. Third, color and mood. Borrow from hospitality. Don't just go in for an all-white new construction look. Do what bars and restaurants do to create an ambiance. They use a darker, moodier color. They may have amazing lighting or interesting tile, light fixtures, and scents. Be more like a cozy, inviting restaurant. Yep, it's all about setting the right vibe. You need to stand out. Airbnb is super competitive. So, what can you offer that no one else can? Maybe it's bathrobes. Maybe it's slippers for your guests. Maybe it's an indoor climbing wall or a conversation pit or even a slide. I saw one with the outdoor bath under a tree and another with the ice cream machine. Find out what will make your space uniquely you. That sounds like so much fun. What else do you want to share? Just remember, making your Airbnb stand out is the key to your Airbnb success. And don't forget to follow us for more awesome tips. I hope these tips were helpful and thank you for watching.